New merch, new merch, new merch, new merch. This new merch though. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. So I have been binging the crap on all of these prom videos, the trying on prom dresses under $20, under $50, under $100 from Amazon, from eBay, and I'm not going to prom. Let's be real here. I went to prom a long time ago. How many? That would have been like 7 years ago? 8 years ago? I went to prom a real long time ago. Let me know in the comments if you want to see my prom photo because actually, you know what? My prom dress was not bad. I like don't regret it. It's not one of those things that I'm like ashamed of. It was pretty cute. But either way, these are so entertaining whether you're going to prom or not. So I wanted to do one because it's kind of prom season. Let's get into it. Okay, so I haven't opened any of these dresses yet. So I don't know quality. I don't know sizing. I haven't tried them on. So all of these reactions are first time. This is the first one. Okay, so this one was $29.90. And I'm gonna say up front that this is not the sequence that I thought I was gonna be getting, but for $29.90, it's not bad. Okay, so we've got a slit in the front. We've got like a pretty low cut boobie front. It definitely feels like $30. I'm gonna be real with you. It definitely is not like some high quality-ish. Oh, there is a very long string here. Oh my God. I feel like if I were to pull this string, every single sequin would fall off. Oh. It's definitely cinching something. Okay, so quality, I'm gonna rate this first little sparkly number, maybe like a 6.5 out of 10. Also, there's a little black fuzz here, and I mean, no judgment because it just pulls off, but I got a piece of somebody else's dress on my dress. Okay, guys, it's not that bad. I'm having like issues with the liner right here that like keeps popping out, and it took me about 20 minutes to figure out that there was a tie-up situation back here. This is not bad. Honestly, there's a lot of extra right here for some reason, and this is not a spot where I would normally try and allocate extra fabric. It's like pretty stunning. There's a nice little cut here for it to show a little leg, and it's not too high where you'd be like really self-conscious that things are gonna fall out or be shown in photos. Pretty cute. Minus this bagginess right here. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna rate this one maybe a 7.5 out of 10. This honestly exceeded expectations for sure. Okay, so this next one was $38, and it's this long black number with a really fun trail. I can't wait for you guys to see the try on bit of it. And the photos of the girls in this dress are absolutely stunning. So I'm so curious to see how I'm gonna look. Probably not on the same level as the models, but we gonna try. Okay, so first off, this has like booby cups sewn in, which is a huge plus because your girl needs all the help she can get in this area. And there's a little bit of wiring on the side, so that's pretty good. There are some sticky bits here, so it helps us to stay up. Again, we'll take all the help I can get. And then the bottom train randomly is not the same fabric as this. It's a little harder and feels like polyester. It does look like there's gonna be a giant train on this thing, like a giant mermaid tail. So I'm so excited. But yeah, why is this not the same fabric? Like, did you run out though? Why? Quality-wise for $38, I'm gonna give this a solid 8. Minus the fact that the train is, oh, are these two different blacks? I don't know if you can see that, but these are two different blacks. That is a pet peeve of mine for some reason. But I mean, I think once it's on, you're not gonna be able to tell. So quality rating, I'm gonna still give it 8 out of 10. $38? Not bad. This is a lot of dress for $38. Holy crap. This is really pretty. This top is really pretty. The waist is really flattering, and it's tight on the booty, and this feels good, but I don't think you understand how much extra dress is on the bottom and how inconvenient. You would literally have to hire someone to like stand behind you and hold your train like freaking a princess. Cool, we could probably bring about 4 more people to prom in this dress because why? Am I gonna try and take an epic Insta photo? Yes. Would I wear this to prom? Absolutely not, just because of the inconvenience of this train. And I'm not an overly short person. I would say I'm pretty average, and this is not okay. If this was 3 feet shorter in train, it would be a 10 out of 10. But I think because of this ridiculous train, I have to give it a 7 out of 10 because this is. So I got one short dress in a super cute purple color. And okay, this one has a ton of beading on the top bodice section. And I just feel like there's a lot of opportunity for this to be either really, really cute or really terrible. Okay, here we go. Here, what? Is this inside out? What's going on? Oh, girl, these jumps are hollow. Literally inside out. Why though? Why? If that's a quality thing, I'm here for. Wait, this actually looks really cute. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so the tulle at the bottom is pretty good. There's like a couple layers and there's a lining underneath. and the gems are hollow. They're individually sewn on. There's booby inserts and then a high neck and a tie up. Wait, this is cute. This is super cute. I can't wait to try this on. So my goal was to stay under the $50 mark, and this one was $43.90, which is not bad because I definitely paid over $200 for my prom dress in grade 12. And I think quality wise for $43, I'm gonna give this one a 9.5. This is really good. Guys, this one's actually so cute. The only thing that doesn't fit at all is the boobs. Like, not quite sure who they thought was gonna have this small of a waist but this big of a boob, because usually I feel like those body types don't really match up like that. These hollow jewels are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I feel like a little fairy princess. Mios, do you want to see me look like a fairy princess, Mios? Yes, look, I'm a fairy princess. You like it? And also too, I feel like having a halter neck is a major plus because you never have to worry about if your dress is falling, because I do not have the assets to hold this dress up if I didn't have this. You can twirl around and be a purple. Okay, next number is a super sparkle one. That one was sparkle, but like, this is sparkly. Sparkle ombre from a rose gold, a burgundy. I'm so excited. Ooh, this color is so pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, okay, top, middle, and bottom. Oh my gosh, the colors are so pretty. There's definitely a few shedded sequins. RIP little sequins, you will be missed. I think we got enough over here, I think we good. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm so sad I'm not going to prom. So we've got booby cups, a zipper. Do you work little zippers? Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Oh, I lost a sequin. A sequin just like flew off. Oh, sparkly dress, you were doing so well till we got to the zipper. Lol, I'm just at the end of the zipper. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Let's just forget that that happened. Zipper is fully functional. My brain, not functional. I like don't see anything super wrong with it. We have a liner. We have a liner. Oh my gosh, this one's super cute. Okay, so this one was $46, and I feel like for how much work it would have been to attach all of these sequins, $46 is a really, really, really good price. Quality-wise for $46, definitely gonna give this a 9.5 as well though. This is so nice for $46. This burgundy color though, it's so nice. So this one is actually stunning. The fit is not great, but the dress itself is so pretty. I cannot believe how much glitter and sequin and ombre situation you get for this amount of money. If it was just a little bit tighter around here, it would be so perfect. It's also the perfect length to wear a heel but not show too much of the shoe. Okay, I love it, but it doesn't fit great, but I'm still gonna give it an 8 out of 10 because it's so pretty. Y'all are not even ready for this one. This is fulfilling all of my princess fairy tale Elsa dreams right now. This dress came in oversized packaging that literally had a big sticker that said oversized on it because it was so floofy and poofy. Ooh, this one comes with a hanger. We already get an extra product. This one was a little bit over $50, I'm not gonna lie. Just roll with it, guys, roll with it. This one I think was $59, but still, okay? I think about what I got for $200 from Nordstrom for my prom dress. You get all this, all this. We're birthing her out of her shell. Whoa, whoa, oh my globsicles. Oh, I don't know if you can even see how floofy and structured this is. I was really worried because I feel like I've watched so many videos where someone orders a really poofy skirt or bottom of the dress and it comes and it's super flat. This one is bodacious. I don't even know if that's the right word, but this thing is large and in charge. I am so excited to try this on. Oh my god. Ah! And it's also a two-piece. Oh no, guys, we have a Mios. We have a Mios. A Mios has entered. Mios, 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 Mios. Don't make any bad decisions on the prom dresses, okay? So this is also a two-piece and there's so much beading on it and it's so pretty. $59, you are 10 out of 10 on quality right now. Oh my actual crap. This little strap casually says wedding dress. Not trying to get married in this, but trying to go to prom in this. I am shook and in love with this dress, and I am more heartbroken than I've ever been that I'm not going to prom this year. Yeah. This is so pretty and it fits perfectly. Took me a long time to get the top on, I'm not gonna lie, just I had to do it myself. So if you're gonna wear this dress to prom, get yourself a friend or a date. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, this is such good quality and so much dress and so cute. I thought this was gonna be a major fail. I really was expecting one piece of tiny fabric, like a sheet, but you get a lot of dress. Look how much dress there is. This is freaking Cinderella. Cinderella meets Elsa, goes to prom, 2018. There's booby cups, it fits so well. Guys, we're real. Invite me to prom. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this. Like, hello, if someone would like to invite me to their prom, would 100% love to attend with you. Just saying. And also, if you haven't seen all the new merch that is launching in exactly 3 days, on Wednesday, May 2nd at 3 p.m. PST and 6 p.m. EST, this is one of the sweaters that says feeling crafty, and you get like a whole little rose situation down both sleeves. It also comes in black and a really nice like olive green color. And there are 2 more hoodies and a new t-shirt. I'm so excited for drop number 2 of laurDIY merch. So make sure you're ready for that launch because again, there are limited quantities, so it's probably gonna go on to quickness. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll also be linked in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for another weekly vlog, and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
Mias, what do you think, Mias? Should we go to prom, Mias? Should we go to prom? You'd make such a good prom date, Mias.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know what's up.